What's happening, you guys? Been working on quite a lengthy project on this truck, my 1990 K1500 Silverado. The issue began, the air conditioning compressor, which was original, was getting very noisy and very ticky and just, just noisy. So I knew its days were numbered, and it finally bit the dust. So I took it upon myself to not only replace the compressor, but to replace everything as far as the air conditioning on this side of the firewall. New compressor, new condenser down there, and just for good measure I did a new transmission cooler because it's so easy to get to. New dryer slash accumulator, all new hoses relating to all the air conditioning. Did a lot of research, took quite a bit of research to figure it all out because I'd never done that kind of project before. And also, just for the heck of it, I installed some cooling fans, some electric fans, on the base of the radiator here, and you can't really see them, but they kick on at about 190, 195 degrees thanks to pressure switch right down there running off the coolant, and there's the relay for it right there, and it all works perfectly. I'm thoroughly pleased as how this turned out. Everything is just working beautifully. The only hard part of getting to all this is you have to remove everything on the front here. The whole grill has to come off, the turn signals have to come off. It's not that difficult, but I have a bull bar right here, and I didn't want to remove that, so that was a little difficult to get this out from under there. The rest of it was just about research and studying on YouTube, and you just name it, I did it. Oh, and I installed a new pulley, the idler pulley right there, because the other one wasn't in bad shape, but it's so easy to get to, you might as well do it, right? So that's how I kind of treated this project. And she is running beautifully. And you see my other videos, I did a exhaust system. I removed the catalytic converters because this truck does not require them in our county. Just sounding good, running good. AC is running good. Cold as freaking anything. I mean, crazy. And it sometimes gets rather hot down here in Atlanta, Georgia, so that's why I installed the cooling fans on the radiator back there, just to give it a little protection. Anyway, check out my other videos. There's all kinds of videos on how to do this stuff, how to replace everything and all that. So, I won't rehash any of that. I did all new connectors. The connectors were in bad shape. I oiled the system, freoned the system, all new O-rings everywhere. Basically started from scratch on everything relating to the air conditioning, except for, of course, the evaporator and the heater core, which are fairly new. Anyway, check out my other videos. We're always doing stuff to this good old truck, 1990 K1500. We'll see y'all later.